Hey guys, my name is Jody, and for today's video, it's going to be a vlog style. I'm currently organizing some of my things, and I just figured that I should show you some of the things that I'm doing, and I'm going to show you my clutter. I'm trying to organize my stuff, but I don't think I can finish it in one day. So yeah, let's check out what I am about to organize. It's 4 drawers worth of clutter, so please bear with me. Okay, so I have here a lot of stuff. They are a mix of watercolor and other artsy stuff, and I tried to put all the things in like one pile. I just remembered the series of Marie Kondo, and she would always do that whenever she would start with a client. So she would ask the client to put all their clothes in one pile, and then you start getting it piece by piece, and you ask yourself if it sparks joy. So I guess I'm kind of doing that right now. So whenever I travel, I'm sorry for the shaky video. Whenever I travel to Japan, I would always buy these small trinkets, and they're all cute, but they have now become clutter. Let's start with this. This is from the brand called Band. So this is really cute. It's like a washi tape, but when you peel one piece, you get one petal of like cherry blossom. It looks like this. So it's really nice. So what's nice is that you can customize the way the cherry blossom looks, because you will be the one to put together the petals. So I can't remember how much this is, but this is super cute. And then I also get some stuff from Daiso. So these are chopstick rest, but we also use it as a brush rest. So I got these because they're really cute, and I got them in 3 colors. And then I also bought some nice keychains. I think I got 3. This one, it's like a kimono. Then another origami. Got 3, and then I also bought this. I think it's also a keychain. So cute. It looks like a real sushi. Anyway, and then more chopstick rest. This is Sakura style, and I haven't even opened it yet. And then I have some pouches with like a nice Japanese design of cloth, and also this one. This is like a coin purse as well, I think, but it's so nice. Okay, and I also bought this. I'm not sure if this is real sea glass, but I got this in Japan. So a lot of the things I actually bought in Japan. And I also got some crafty stuff from Daiso. This is a wool felt kit. And then I have here some chopstick rest as well. These are from Taiwan. They're all so cute. Different animals. So cute. And I also got a bunch, like a lot of UV resin stuff, which I'm going to show you now. So I have a bunch of these pressed flowers, and then these are mostly embellishments for UV resin projects. So some of them are actually like a gold foil, and some of them are just sparkly powders. Then I also got a bunch of molds, silicone molds. So they're really nice, and I haven't opened them yet. So look at that, there's a button mold. So nice. And I got them for a really good price. So I think this is like less than $2 per pack. And then I also got a bunch of UV resin, the liquid one. So you can buy them with like colored UV resin. You can also buy it in clear color. So I got a bunch right here. I haven't opened them yet. So you can see I'm a little bit of a hoarder. And I'm not even sure why I bought this. I think I got it just because it's cute. And I also got this cloth tape from Daiso as well. And then a lot of accessories for UV resin. And then I have this resin that needs to be cured overnight. This is different from the UV resin because with UV resin you can use just a UV light to cure it, and you can cure it in about a few seconds. So this is different, and this is what I use for kind of preserving my wedding bouquet flowers. So I guess I'm gonna show that to you next time. And then what else? I also have this one. Not sure what I'm gonna do with this. It's a t-shirt yarn. And of course now we are gonna go to my artsy stuff, my painting stuff. I haven't used this yet. This is a coloring book, but for this one, instead of like using just pencils, this one is made of watercolor paper from Canson Montval, and you can use your watercolor to paint on the drawings. So this is such a pretty illustration. This is by Valerie Chua. So she is a very famous Filipino artist, and she has this coloring book, and it's really pretty. It's so pretty that I'm scared to paint on it. And just look at that. Okay, so next let's move on to the journals. I have the Strathmore watercolor journal. This is quite big. It's 8.5 by 11, and I haven't painted much. I think I only have 2 paintings. So I feel like for my journals, I think I need to put it on the shelf so that I will remember to use it. If I put it inside a drawer, I think that I will forget it forever. So that's my project right now. I need to find a way to store it in a shelf. And this is something that's really precious. This is my painting from when I was a child. I don't know what age though, but yeah, I'm happy that I was able to save this. I think this is watercolor as well. Yeah, so nice. And then you have a bunch of books right here. I'm thinking if I should sell some of it. So yeah, we have a bunch of books. I also have some Japanese books right there. I can't understand Japanese, but I just love looking at the illustration. So that's that's it. And then let's move over to here. I got this martel brushes, but I might just sell these. And I got a bunch of Shinhan paint. This one, I think I used this for my in-person workshops before, so I have some left and I might sell it too. And I discovered a bunch of arches paper, so I'm gonna use that. Then we have a few more papers here. We got Senelier, have some journals. Let me just check it. Oh, this is this what do you call this? It's like an accordion journal. So this is from Senelier, and I have painted on it. Not yet done. So I also have some Strathmore journals. And I also have the Pentalic Art and Stillman and Burn. And this is something special to me. This is a publication by Strathmore. And they chose my artwork right here to be featured for their, I think this is for their watercolor paper for this. I used the series 400 for this painting. So I kept a copy. Then you have more Strathmore journal. I have a bigger Pentalic journal. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, I still have to fix so many things. So I just bought a big drawer, which I'm going to show you now. So this is the drawer. And yeah, we have a pretty spacious storage right here, and we got it for a really good price. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers, so I'm going to fill that up, but I think I need to put something inside to like organize it better so that it doesn't look too cluttered. So yeah, that's it. So this ends my vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I can show you next time how I organize my things. I'm about to head out now to buy some small boxes that I can store my art materials and just put it in the drawer so that it's not too cluttered looking. So yeah, see you in my next video. Thank you again for watching. Bye.